You all may have wondered whether we could make a program that could rewrite itself so that it will be able to develop itself without needing our assistance. This reminds me of Zeus from Real Steel. But the point is, what if that happens? What if someone builds something like that? Well, that's what this video is all about. Source AI, a Paris startup, is fine-tuning a tool that uses AI to write code based on short text descriptions of what the code should do. For example, you can tell the program to multiply two numbers given by a user, and it will write some lines in Python to do that. So Source AI is based on GPT-3, a powerful AI language program announced in May 2020 by OpenAI, which is a company focused on making fundamental advances in artificial intelligence. GPT-3 is a gigantic artificial neural network trained on huge chunks of text scraped from the web. It does not grasp the meaning of that text, but it can identify patterns in language well enough to generate articles on a given subject. The founders of Source AI were among the first few hundred people to get access to GPT-3. While testing the tool, they realized that the AI had the potential to generate computer code, and that's when they got the idea to develop Source AI. So this article from Wired.com has bugging me out since the moment I saw it, and I wondered, wow, that would make my life a whole lot easier, considering that I won't have to write code anymore. I can just get one of these and sit back, relax, have my coffee and let the AI do all the work. But it doesn't work like that. Recently, I watched a video from Tom Scott, one of my favorite YouTubers, where he uses GPT-3 to generate video ideas for some other fellow YouTubers like Electroboom and MrBeast. So before we talk about coding, you should first go watch that video so that you can get a better idea about this from a far more educated person than me. So the main issue with those titles was they were not factually correct, and most of them were impossible to create. Also, the AI lacked the oomph, the virality.
Came out with was, I paid people to take selfies with me.
Yeah, I could see where it would get that inspiration from, but there's no like, what's the virality?
The AI did come up with some amazing titles, but that wasn't enough. So I'm not going to talk about everything in the article. It is quite a long yet interesting one. You can read it. I will link it in the description. We already have systems that have made it possible to automate growing array of coding tasks such as code auto-completion, such as Tab9, fine-tuning algorithms and removing bugs. But at the same time, automating coding can create some serious problems because of the limitations of modern AI. Algorithms can behave unpredictably, and code generated by a machine might harbor harmful bugs. Well, we all would expect that part considering the huge amount of warnings those sci-fi films gave us. So what I think is AI is not complete yet, but it is improving exponentially. AI writing quality pieces of code is not fully here yet, but it will come. Bektis, the founder of Source AI, says simple commands work 80 to 90% of the time. He seems confident it could change some aspects of software development. Students will use it to do their homework quickly, he says. So considering how far we have come with AI, it is quite clear that this amazing tool will be perfected very soon. Software giants like Microsoft have already invested $1 billion in OpenAI in 2019. So it is a very good sign for the development of AI. I'll leave the rest for you guys to discuss. But before I go, I like to leave you with this statement from Shashank Srikanth, a PhD student involved with the work. Once these models go into production, things can get nasty pretty quickly. Let's talk more about this in the comment section below. So hey guys, what did you think of this new team? This is something that I haven't done before on my channel. I think these videos will be both entertaining and informative. So if you guys enjoy these types of videos, let me know in the comments below so that I can make more videos like this. Also, if you're new here, I usually make programming tutorials. So if you're into that, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.